Alrighty guys, welcome to a Skylanders Play-Doh challenge. That is right. This is called a Skylanders Play-Doh challenge. And basically what this is I'm gonna try to make a Skylander, this one here, Love Potion Pop Fizz, out of Play-Doh. Okay, so I bought these 3 Play-Dohs, pretty cheap at Walmart, 50 cents for each one. So Walmart probably has the cheapest Play-Doh that I can find. Other stores like $1 for each one. But I found these for 50 cents each. And I'm gonna try to make this Love Potion Pop Fizzle. No, I'm gonna try my best. I am not the best Play-Doh maker or whatever you call it, creator. I am probably from a 1 to 10, 10 as being the best, I am probably a 1. so I'm gonna try to make a Play-Doh. I'm not trying to make a Skylander out of Play-Doh. And I'm gonna challenge 2 YouTubers to do the same thing too. And those 2 YouTubers have to challenge other YouTubers to make a Play-Doh challenge. So you guys, whoever I challenge, you better do it or else I'm gonna call you out on my videos over and over and over and over and over again until you make a Skylander out of Play-Doh. So the 2 YouTubers that I challenge is Robert Welkner from CoinOpTV. That's right, Robert. You gotta make a Skylander. You can pick any Skylander, I don't care. It's up to you. And another one, YRocTheEliteSlayer. Alrighty, YRock, you gotta do it. I'm gonna Instagram you guys, let you guys know that this is gonna go down. Alrighty, so Robert, YRock, after you guys do your challenge, call out 2 other YouTubers and, you know, try to make this fun, okay? So let's go ahead and do this. Wish me luck. I can guarantee you this is gonna look really bad, but heck, at least I try my bestest. So let's go ahead and do this. Oh, and here's the rules, guys. You cannot use any tools to create your Skylander. No tools, no knives, no, you know, gotta use your fingers only. Alrighty? Fingers only. Alrighty, guys. There is my love potion. Where's my love potion, Pop Fizz? So guess guess which one is the guess which one is the love potion, Pop Fizz? Oh my goodness. I told you I was a 1 to 10. Oh shoot, he's look at his legs. Look at his ass. He's falling apart. Oh my goodness, my eyes are literally watering because I'm laughing so hard. Oh my goodness. Alright, guys. Stop moving. Stop moving, man. Alright. So what do you guys think? Holy smokes. Alright, guys. There is my love potion Pop Fizz. I challenged CoinOpTV, Robert Welkner, and YRocTheEliteSlayer to create their own Play-Doh Skylanders. And the rules is you can pick any Skylanders you want, from Spyro's Adventures all the way to Trap Team, and then you can only use your hands. No tools allowed. Alrighty. So and then you guys call out any other YouTubers and have them do the Skylanders Play-Doh challenge. Alright, guys. That was fun. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let me know let me know what you guys think about my Skylanders. And which one do you think is the Play-Doh one? Alright, guys, peace.